Okay, hello everyone. This is Zach here. Now, first of all, just want to do a quick sound check. Okay, is my sounds coming okay? By typing a one for me, right? Hopefully, my sound screen is okay. And if you are here with me right now, appreciate if you can type a one for me so that I know that you are joining me in this section here. And do let me know if, let's say, you got any questions regarding XIFU, X chart, or even some of the stocks that we discussed in the Telegram. All right. Hello, Roslan. Wow, Roslan, you are very active in stock market. Are you a full time right now doing this for full time? Okay, it looks like you're a full time investor. Huh? So okay, while we began to look into some of the usual stocks that we talk about, okay, in our Telegram or our usual live Facebook here. Okay, so first of all, let's start with CowPoint. CowPoint yesterday, yes, a bit disappointing because towards the end, it actually formed somehow like a shooting star. Okay, but I think overall still fine. Okay, because again, usually when I see this kind of candle, especially for resistance, it's very important to see how the market react immediately on next day. So today, this morning over here, I think still okay, right? It's just a first 30 minutes. I cannot really comment a lot about that. But so far so good. Okay, so far so good. Okay. Oh, so Rostan, you are doing this for full time. Okay, great, great, great. So hopefully one day also I'm able to do this for full time. Okay. Hopefully after 5 years or 10 years from now. IOIPG. IOIPG, I'll look into that later on. Okay, but of course, I think IOIPG, I do comment, I think somewhere around this week or last week. Okay, good for long term. A very nice accumulation. I think yesterday or 2 days ago, they break out above resistance already. Okay, so it's a good stocks to look for if, let's say, you want to do some mid to long term. Okay, I think the trend would be quite good. Okay, but I'll be check that out later on. Okay, as well, I'm looking for Rexit. Okay, I'll do that. Okay, so review SNR for MYEG. Okay, the three usual Ruslan, Capital A and MSM. Okay, MSM. So okay, sudah pencen. Okay, good lah. At least during this kind of time, right? Do a little bit of stock market. At least can earn a little bit of additional income. Is good as well. So okay, now call point. Like I say, so far so good. Okay, let's see how it goes. Hopefully today closing, if let's say remains low volume and above this shadow. Okay, I think still fine. Okay, still worth to look into it. Personally, I still hold half. Anything recently break above touch resistance, I just try to sell partially. Okay. Now Zanta also I still holding half. Okay. So the other day also they touch here. In the end, they close lower. It's a bit disappointing. Okay. But yesterday candle closed with low volume, and today, if let's say remain above the shadow, I think still fine. Okay. For Zanta, for those that who are following. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Let's go to MTech lah. So MTech also, I think trend still healthy. Okay, yesterday down bar but with low volume. Like I said, I miss MTech. I'm not sure whether it will go back to my this 20 MA area or the support area. If yes, I will look for my chance for opportunity again. All right, but like I said, so far, still fine. Okay, so far still fine. I don't see any major weakness coming in. Okay, the reason why nowadays I don't like to chase at resistance because Bursa too hot already lah. We know it break 1600, right? I do think that the pullback may happen anytime soon. Okay, because I think that they went up for 1-2 weeks, if not mistaken. So that's why I'm a little bit careful right now. Especially right now, if you notice, market is also very hot, right? VS Tech lah, Sendai lah, SNS lah, all is very hot. Okay, so yeah, I have to be careful during this kind of market. Hello, morning Wong. Okay, I look into Wangtel. Yeah, Wangtel is one of the stocks I'm still holding. Okay, because it turns out to be very boring right now, but overall I don't have a reason to sell yet. Okay, because I don't see any major weakness coming in. They are still above my main support level. Of course, this one I do heard a little bit of thing saying that this one still got a chance to go up But again, yeah, before I proceed further, in my this live Facebook section, okay, one thing to remember is that I'm not here to tell you what to buy, what to sell. I'm not doing any buy and sell call. I think if you follow my Telegram, follow my live Facebook, I do share with you as well. I do have losses too. Okay, sometimes I need to chop and cut. Okay, So for me, most important is that you have your own trading plan. Okay, like I think like Roseland is different. Okay, some of my friends, let's say Casey, are here. You know, some of my friends that I know for some time. I know their style. They like do long term. Okay, so if you are doing short term, okay, I think why not try out my this XIFU support resistance to help you out to build a trading plan. Okay, so make sure whenever you do, you have to know your risk lah. I cannot promise you, wow, this now is nice. Nanti next week market the road it drop. Okay, I cannot promise that. Okay, make sure you do that. Okay. So Zanta Venta can come today. I don't think so. Okay, today volume dead. Very boring. So far, 30 minutes, nothing. Okay, so far 30 minutes, nothing. But okay, just want to share with you, like I said, I'm not doing any buy and sell call. Zanta Vengtel, if I can recall. Zanta Vengtel. MTech is a bit far already. LIPG. Okay, LIPG. Got some rumors. Okay, got some rumors. I think I shared in Telegram as well. Sendai. Okay, I think previously I shared also. It breaks up already, but unfortunately I didn't go for Sendai. Yeah, this is a few that I heard still got chance. Okay. Yeah lah, but again, we look into chart and trade. Okay, we look into chart and trade according to patterns. Okay, now one of them that I think actually this morning I just received. Okay, so for those that who watch live Facebook with me, I will share with you. Okay, so this one I just received this morning. Okay, I just received this morning. I heard this one also got operator. Okay, this one also somewhat interested. Okay, when I'm not sure. You don't ask me a bila boleh I tak tahu. Okay, but I've been told that this one can watch out. Okay, I've been told this one can watch out. Okay, but I look into structure. Long-term structure is good. Okay, they are doing a long-term so-called reaccumulation. I think they are kind of like forming like a bit of BCP as well, hopefully. Short-term wise, let's look into daily. Okay, I might be wrong. Again, I might be wrong. Please plan our trading plan. So short-term wise, there are a few things you can do. Okay, of course, now you can collect at somewhere around. This is around S2 area, but I'm not sure whether you can go this low or not. S1 area around 86. Okay, I think it's good area to collect. Okay. Okay, sorry, I cannot say collect lah. I know buy call lah. I'm very scared of this thing because like HM lah, you all follow, some of them lost. I so feel very sorry, but like I say, if this not for you, don't do it. Okay, it's not for you, don't do it. Okay, HM is a bit penny stock lah. It's very tricky one. So need a lot of patience. If you got extra capital, you do it. If not, don't do it. Okay. So now NGGB. Okay. So what I plan to do is that probably S1 area is good to look into. Okay. Now if you are those type that a bit impatient one, okay, you don't like to buy hold for a few months one, right? You do shake out. Okay, because I think they are doing shake out. Okay, and maybe I will aim around this area also. So here, because right now my capital is a bit tight so that's why no rush to look for entry. So here's the first round shakeout. Okay, they try resistance fail, so they drop, volume started increasing. So I think this one will take a little bit of time. If you want, here and above. Okay, not sure. Maybe here to here, you can aim. If not, on the next resistance. Okay, can break up further or not, I'm not sure, but I've been told this one can watch out a little bit. Okay, so that's my view lah. Again, I might be wrong. Okay, I might be wrong. Okay, let's see. Any other stocks that you all have for me? Strength signal indicator will soon in XIFU app. Yes. Actually, just last 2 days ago, I checked with my developers. Okay, they are actually built in my beta version already. But yes, we need some time to do some checking, back testing. Hopefully, I hope early next month. Okay, I can release the all. That's why nowadays I start to share out more on the indicators. Okay, so that you all be prepared. Okay, we have these features coming in for you all. Okay, so right now I tested quite well. The other one is McLean. Okay, McLean this morning I do see there is a 3 strength signal. Okay, but I cannot recall where is the strength signal. Later on, I will share with you my chart. So I think somewhere around here, we got 1, 2, 3. Okay, somewhere around here also got 1, 2, and yesterday 3. Okay, so hopefully 3, this one can break up further. That's McLean. Okay, just now check my chart, do have that. Okay, okay, MLCB, okay, I'll do that for KC, MLCB, AGX, and HT Padu, okay. HT Padu, I think still got game lah. So, okay, now let's look into other counters first that we talk about before I go to your stocks. Okay, ENO. Okay, ENO yesterday a very good closing also. Volume's very high. Okay, now this shadow over here is the main resistance. If you ask me, I think no problems. Okay, I think this one no problems. So UAMS. Okay, UMS also. Okay, today still fine. Low volume lah. Okay, today Friday lah. So I think I actually expect a bit of maybe profit taking today because really a lot of counter too hot already. Like VS Tech. Okay, let's try VS Tech. I think VS Tech this morning also goes up. Okay. Oh, okay. High volume shooting star, be careful. High volume shooting star, be careful. Maybe the pullbacks might coming in. So that's why today, actually, a lot of counter is nice, but I don't want to rush myself to enter because I feel that I'm not sure. Today is Friday some more. Okay, because a lot of counters already push up already. If let's say lots of counters showing shooting star, yeah, probably pullback might happen. Okay, the other one I think is MCE holding also this morning, gap up and sure went up 10 over percent. Okay, so this one, yeah, forming shooting star, but still fine. Okay, again, wow, volume very high. Okay, but this one is from reaccumulation, still okay. VS Tech is actually break reaccumulation and then they form a shooting star, a bit different. Okay, so all right, let's look into others. Okay, IOIPG. Okay, IOIPG, I think early this week, right, I mentioned that. Okay, this one actually can watch out for a long term. Okay, so yeah, we got high volume over here against the same method I use for dialogue lah, for XIFU, for P method if not mistaken. Okay, so here high volume usually YTL power. Okay, so here high volume usually is a bit tricky because normally I don't like to see when market at the top you got high volume. Okay, but if let's say the high volume here able to hold well and press push up, which means this volume here probably is a buyer volume. Okay, and yeah, it do show something like that. Okay, so of course haven't really break the main resistance yet, but so far it's a nice reaccumulation. Okay, so like I said, this one is actually very suitable for those that who are looking something long to short, mid to long term. So if I look into weekly chart, okay, nice volume this week. Okay, so yeah lah, so far for me okay lah. Weekly chart just hit the 20 MA. Okay, I'm not sure whether they'll continue or not, but looks like so far so good for me. Okay, for IOIPG. All right. So again, if you are like our section here, okay, make sure you help me to click the like buttons. Help me to share this out. Okay, help me to share this out. Okay. So I think I mentioned this as well. Okay, right. Currently, we do have this so-called campaign. Okay, if you share with your friend, 10 friends. Okay, using your QR code, using your code. Okay, in the reference there. Okay, I think I shared a step in the Telegram already. You actually can get 50 ringgit touch and go voucher. Not only that, you also can get credit as well. So this credit, you can actually convert into your money subscriptions. So next month, once I have these indicators ready, yeah, you can use the coin to actually use all these premium features in XIFU apps. Okay. Okay, USMA dialogue. Okay, I'll look into that as well. Okay, IPG Rexit, right? So we look into Rexit. Okay. Rexit lah. Wow, Rexit a bit difficult to read lah. Okay, overall, I think they are doing a pullback. Okay, but just here high volume, a bit weird lah. Okay, here a bit high volume. Okay, so few things. Okay, whenever the hit here probably will drop again. Okay, is good for range trading. Okay, but something like yesterday, like I shared, WMG is more straightforward. Okay, it's more straightforward. Okay, here got high volume, but not from the top. Okay, because the Rexit just now is from the top. Okay, sideways, and then they got a chance to retest. But again, very close with R2 already lah. So maybe you can use this method lah. You can enter, and then resistance you try to take partial profit because there is a big so-called high volume down bar from there. So I do expect there's a resistance. Okay, kind of similar like Rexintec also, but Rexintec this one volume is not that high. Okay, so sometimes this accumulation like WMG suddenly one volume can shoot up already. Okay, so Rexit so far so good. Okay, but try to play along with the range. Okay, whenever hit resistance, you try to lock some profit for you. Okay, let's try MYEG. Okay, MYEG. Oh, the other one I forgot to mention. GHL, because this one is a bit similar to GHL. But GHL, I've been told it's a bit close with the TP already. Okay, but never mind lah. So okay, MYEG yesterday, not a very strong closing. Okay, not a very strong closing. Volume is increasing, but not the highest. Okay, so I do expect something like this maybe will happen. Okay, something like this maybe will happen before they go into the next resistance. Okay, so another thing is that of course they are a bit far lah from 20 MA. All right, so maybe another round of this kind of pullback can happen in MYEG. So as long as for me, this S1 here or this candle here still supported well, I think it's still okay to try to ride on this current momentum. Okay, for MYEG. Okay, capital A. Let's turn to capital A. Okay, capital A yesterday. This is Wednesday. Wednesday here got high volume down bar, so you know there will be a resistance already. Okay, whenever price going up after like few candles going up, right? You do see some things like reversal candles or shooting star candle, especially kind of high volume. It will be a temporary resistance. Okay, so let's draw the line over here. Let's see whether it makes sense or not. Okay, I think it makes sense. Okay, yeah, this zone again, support resistance is not a price level, it's a zone. So why I do think this one makes sense. Okay, the resistance is there. So yeah, expect pullback. Okay, expect pullback. So again, this one also very far from 20 MA. Okay, maybe we drop somewhere around here, few weeks. Okay, it touch, then it jalan again. But of course, here we need to see whether got sign of strength or not. Currently, it's a bit difficult to tell whether they will rebound or not once they complete the pullback. Okay, but so far, yes, it hit the resistance with high volume. Expect pullback. So let's say normally what I do best is that you try to lock some profit if you got a very good profit. I believe Rosan got a good profit from this lah. Okay, now let's look into MSM. Okay, oh, reverse yesterday, high volume. Okay lah, high volume lah, but it's not the highest lah. Okay, weekly chart. Weekly chart is slightly far from 20 MA. So let's do into daily. Okay, now for me, it's still the same, Rosan, because you are doing this for long term, right? Because you've been holding for some times, right? So S2, okay, I will use this 3 ringgit lah, around 3 ringgit lah. 3 ringgit, I think is good S2 lah. 3 point. Okay. Again, support resistance is not a price level. I'll just use that as your guide. 305 lah, as my main support. Of course, resistance is the closest one over here. Okay, around 350 and above. Okay, so this one, but this one is also in steady kind of stocks. So as long as for me they hold above this S2, okay, yeah, I think it's okay. Yesterday actually it dropped with some increasing volume, but not the highest volume. Not the highest volume. All right, so that's quick one for MSM. Let's see, MRCB. MRCB. Okay, MRCB. Yeah, jalan this one. I think KC, right? This one jalan already. KC, you in this trade? Okay, this one I know I don't know how to review lah. This one already break up. Okay, above R1 already. Okay, I think background wise, early this week we also mentioned already a nice shakeout over here. Price make a follow through today. Volume increasing. This is only the first trading hour, but volume is quite good. Okay, now as long as no shooting star, I think fine. Okay, or they close this R1 above. Okay, this R1 is how much? 705. Okay, so this is 705, 0.705. So as long as this one and above, I think it's a good so-called good closing. Okay, if let's say below, okay, maybe we need to wait again, or maybe they do another shakeout again. All right. So Casey, if you got a good profit also for MLCB, maybe good also to lock some profit. Okay, assuming you're doing short term lah. But if let's say long term one, then I think yeah, probably can try out to see whether how is the closing looks like towards the end, or maybe 4 p.m. we can decide. Okay, let's do into AGX. Okay, AGX. Oh, this one reversal, huh? Okay, IPO in February or Feb. Okay, climatic volume, not climatic but high volume. Okay, because this is IPO stock, I cannot tell this is a climatic volume or not. But so far, it's a good volume to make it as a reversal. Okay, here, high volume pushing back. Okay, now seems like they are holding 2040s. Volume is low. Okay, so which means they are retest on the first reversal. If you ask me, worth to try. Okay, not doing buy call sell call. Okay, but I think worth to try because they have a reversal patterns. They are testing with low volume. Okay, so next thing what you can do. Okay, this is current S1 level. Again, refer back to this XIFU support resistance 315. Of course, the closest resistance 335. Okay, hopefully they can cross. Then the next one will be somewhere around here 360. Okay. So this one is a bit similar like previously, like what are all this CPE tech lah, all this lah, Minox lah. Okay, is it? Oh, sorry, I think it's Minox lah, Minox, or EIB. I so long time didn't check EIB already. So okay, here or ECMO also. So here reversal. So this one is like here. Okay, low volume. Okay, they are testing reversal on low volume. So maybe it will goes up another round. Okay, but can sustain or not? I cannot tell But for me, Minox, even though it failed but this one it actually started to turn into accumulations already. Okay, ECMO is a nice one. I think ECMO still got so-called momentum to do so. Okay, ECMO. The other one is Opstar. Okay, Opstar. I also didn't come back to look into Opstar for some time. Okay, slowly to turn slow volume. Oh yeah, now it's only first hour lah. Don't get too excited yet. So okay, Opstar, because I pop my alerts. So sometimes this happens when I pop my alerts already, it didn't trigger, I forgot. Okay, so here, as long as it's sideways here, hit my 20 MA, volumes remains to below. I think I will come back to look into Opstar again. Okay, so well, there's AGX. Okay, HT Padu. HT Padu. Let's do the HT Padu. Theta will look into that as well because Theta yesterday got numbers of strength signal. Okay. Again, nothing much to review actually. Okay, because I think yesterday, even in my Telegram group posted also 2 days ago, for me the setup still same. Okay, I think they're also doing a little bit of BCP here. Okay, maybe it will hit here. I'm not sure. R1 again, but here low volume. Okay, near to the support. Increasing volume, pushing it back. So far, so good. Okay, for me, the trend for this reaccumulation trend is still very healthy. Okay, so let's look into Theta because Theta yesterday, got strength signal as well. Okay, what's going on? Okay, looks like today continue to retest back to support level. But if let's say it tested back, low volume, okay, again, I think it's healthy. Okay, I think it's healthy. Okay, now if you recall, if not mistaken, if you look back my chart, here should be one of the strength signal. If not mistaken, here got one. Here got one. Sometimes it will drop the strength signal. Okay, rebound, another strength signal. So doesn't mean every time got strength signal you shoot out one. Okay, but sometimes it also will like test. Okay, it goes up. Okay, but as long as I think volume remains to be low on testing, the strength signal is still valid. Okay, the strength signal is still valid. Okay, let's do into Ulicorp as well. Sure. Okay, I got 3 more Usma Dialog Ulicorp. Okay, later on, if let's say you want me to go to my trade signal, I can do so. Okay, let me know if you want me to go to my trade signal. If yes, type 1. Usma, ya lah. Usma macam no trend. But it's in a reaccumulation. Let's do into weekly chart. Okay, makes sense. So now looks like the weekly chart are trying to go into the 20 MA. Okay, so maybe somewhere around here lah. Okay, somewhere around here. Remember yesterday Telegram we do talk about COC? Okay, anyone here in my Telegram? If yes, type A. Anyone here in my Telegram? Not channel, the group, the one that can chat one, the one that can discuss one. If yes, type A. If not, type B. If yes, type A. If not, type B. Okay, just want to see. Okay, yeah, Wong. Okay, Wong is one of the very active members inside. So yes, do join. Okay, and then have some sort like a discussions on daily basis. Sometimes also I join group. What the reason why I join this kind of group and get to know each other is that first of all I get more updated information. Anything happen only someone posted out already. Okay, so I don't need to go to check one by one. I think it's useful. Okay, so okay, Rostan is not in the group. Okay, Rostan join lah. Kevin join us lah in the chat room there. Okay, now remember yesterday we talked about COC. Okay, we talked about COC, right? COC. Okay, I tell you what, COC is a very useful technique for trend continuation. Okay, for trend continuation. Okay. But doesn't mean it's uptrend. Doesn't mean it's uptrend. Let's say a trend continuation, what it means is that if let's say downtrend, you go downtrend. If let's say uptrend, you go uptrend. If let's say sideways, you remain sideways. Okay? So if you look into this chart over here, right, before they actually break up a lot, right, they actually also show a potential COC on sometimes. Of course, some chart don't show, some chart yes. Especially, okay, COC, again, another thing useful is that when the stock is quiet stocks. Okay, especially useful when the stock is a quiet stock, which means they go up slowly, but no one talk about it. Okay, no one talk about it. If you look into like MCE holding, right, no one bother when they go up. No one bother one. Not much people bother lah. Okay, like E&O, nice case saja. People talk about E&O already. A lot of people talk about E&O. So VS Tech also, like a few months ago, actually I didn't realize also VS Tech go up so much until like last month someone asked me, hey, VS Tech, I looked into it, why go up so much? So all these kind of counters, right, have a very nice COC one. How to join the group? Can someone post the link? Because over here I don't have the link. Okay, or maybe later my Facebook I got the link lah. You can actually check for my Facebook the link you join. Okay, so we can have discussion. So okay, now if you notice over here, right here, I think I can spot some COC. Notice low volume. Okay, here COC, low volume before they goes up. Okay. Again, I'm not sure whether here will form COC or not. I don't know. I don't know. Okay. Watch out. Okay, watch out. Okay. So some of my stocks, okay, I'm holding. Let's try Samiden. Okay, Samiden, but I hold sometimes already. Okay, Samiden so far no low volume. Today up. Is it today or yesterday? Okay, but here got some low volume if you notice here, right? Okay, the three narrow candle, okay, with low volume. You can see it or not? If yes, type A. Okay, if yes, type A. Okay, continuation trend. Okay, continuation trend. So here, I'm not sure whether it form or not. If form, can try out. Solar West. Okay. Okay, here I do see some low volume. Okay, here I do see some low volume. Okay, with three narrow candles. Okay, again, continuation trend. Now, this one super obvious. Okay, I remember I traded this. Okay, but this is last year before I joined XIFU. If let's say for those that, for my previous member, I think Casey, I think I'm not sure whether you follow or not at the time. Okay, reversal. Okay, the time also we use another technique called NS lah. Okay, if Casey you still remember, right? NS COC. Okay, this one. Okay, so yeah, it's a continuation trend. Okay, it's a continuation trend. So let's try LIPG. Okay, LIPG. LIPG here tak ada lah. Here ada lah. Okay, here ada lah. Super low volume. Okay, super low volume. NS meaning Okay, later on. Okay, now okay. Probably moving forward, I will try to explain more on COC. Okay, I'll try. Of course, pullback. I believe you all know already. Okay, pullback. I've been talking since last year already. I hope you all know what is pullback. COC, VCP. Okay, probably I'll cover more. But VCP very rare lah. Sometimes not much. Not really a lot of stuff forming that lah. Okay, but I think COC is useful, especially now we have this kind of trending market. Okay, you can use that a lot. Okay, probably I just want to continue here. Because I try to keep this short, around 30 minutes. Okay, let's go back to daily chart. This is dialogue. Let's say dialogue, long-term wise, I think no issue. Okay, look into daily. Again, nothing much to comment because I think the side everything is no much changes. Of course, this 2 day it do drop, including today. Okay, as long as this drop low volume is still above my this S1 over here. Okay, this S1 over here, no problems. Okay, no problems. Okay, if let's say break this S1, maybe yeah, I think they will make a slightly a deeper wash lah. Okay, but so far I think the trend everything still nice for me. Okay, for dialogue. Okay, let's try Yuli crop. Okay, last one, then I go for my trade signal. We try to look for any stocks. If not, then we close. Okay. Wow, this kind of stuff a bit tricky one. Oh. Okay, of course, good thing is that here drop high volume, gap close back up. Okay, also break the previous resistance here. So far, so good. Maybe you can try here, but here is another challenge they need to cross. Okay, so maybe you will try zigzag, drop before it goes up. Okay, but can tell they got effort try to push up lah. Okay, they got effort try to push up lah. But this resistance here need to be careful lah, because here's another group of seller probably is waiting. Okay, maybe it's waiting. Okay, let's try Malakoff. Okay, whether go COC or not. But okay, now Malakoff chart sometimes it's a bit illiquid one. That's why COC, yeah, there's the things that I need to tell you. Okay. Okay, COC doesn't work in inactive stock. Okay, the reason why it's like that, because inactive stock technically it all is low volume with narrow spread bar, so it's not working. Okay, you need to look for active stocks, then you look for COC, then only Chun. Okay, only Padu. Okay, if not Tapadu. Okay, so okay now Malakoff okay is active, but the candle recently no COC lah. What can I say? It's not COC lah. So okay, weekly chart no COC, but again, good thing is that they are closing the gaps. Okay, here we got gaps, they close, drop, gaps, they close. Okay, so yeah, this is the main resistance currently. Okay, I think Casey, you're looking for long term for Malakoff, right? I remember you told me that. Okay, so this is the main resistance they need to cross. So once cross here, okay, yeah, the next one, or even the main one. Okay, structure wise, in terms of the market structure, I think okay. But I'm not sure whether they will cross successfully or not. Maybe it will drop again sideways before close. But looks like they are getting smaller. The wave is getting smaller. Okay, got chance to cross the resistance now. Okay, let's go into my trade signal. Let's try to find few more stocks. If not, we just end our section here today. Daily. Let's go back to daily. Okay, SAM Engineering. Wow, this one a bit similar like GHL system. Okay, so good. So far, so good. Okay. Again, the main resistance, okay, probably want to watch out. Denko. Okay. Okay, uptrend. Okay. Yeah, this one can ride on the uptrend. Nothing much. Charimin. Okay, looks like all the oil and gas counter coming back. Okay, this one looks like closing the gaps with volume. Okay, closing the gaps with volume. Can watch out. Berhad, not really. Okay, Sengfeng. Sengfeng also. Okay, doing another round of pullback. Ofi Tome. Let's turn to Tome. I think today go up a little bit, right? Just now I saw Pokong also move a bit. KAB reversal type. Okay. Nothing nice one today, this morning. ERB high coming. This one is accumulation. Again, good for those that who want to buy and hold for long term. Okay. Okay, Ecompower, I think yesterday got a big hammer. Okay, yesterday got a big hammer. Today, so fast selling off. Okay, as long as didn't close with shooting star, I think this one got a chance to move. Okay lah, nothing much lah. Okay, Sun Surya also a bit quiet. Only McLean, no, I think McLean background is good, but it's slightly a bit far. Yeah, shooting star also. Yeah, that's why today I feel that not sure. A lot of stocks actually, if you notice, right, yesterday they stopped at resistance. I'm not sure whether I'm not sure whether it's my stock only or your stock also like that. Mostly they stop at resistance. So that's why today I feel that some things that maybe I want to watch out for. Okay, whether they cross profit taking or apa macam. But looks like McLean is they are doing some profit taking. Maybe next week is another pullback weeks lah. Okay, so the other one is I forgot to mention this one also very good. Not to say very good, but worth to pay attention. Okay, this is RG Tech. Okay, low volume over here. Maybe next week if I got capital, I will come to look into this also. Okay, so with this, once again, thank you for joining me in this section here. So once again, if you like my section, help me to share this out. Okay, click the like buttons for me, right, to support us, and join my Telegram. Okay, for more discussion. So I will see you next week. Thank you.